So how to use AlphaNovel app novels and stories. This is a huge library app for audiobooks and ebooks. So just double click to install. And then these are stories from different genres, ranking of the best novels, regular daily updates, top picks of the novels, newest releases, fascinating novels, get rewards and bonuses for reading. So AlphaNovel is the best reading experience for book lovers. Download AlphaNovel and enter the world with the best books worthy of your attention. With AlphaNovel, you can read books online anytime and anywhere. Daily updates, ongoing books, free first chapters, and the best content for novel fans. Best reading experience. AlphaNovel creates a world for novel readers where everyone would find something to their taste. Start reading for free, add your favorite books to the library, check out the best books, and enjoy your experiences with AlphaNovel. So yeah, that's the app. As you can see, it's in the top charts in magazine and newspapers category. It's pretty cool. And then yeah, if you just like reading, that's basically the app you can just check out here. So then just sign in, and then you can just set your avatar as you want, and then you're just registered. Then you can just answer some questions, and that's basically you then just select different topics, and then this app will just pick the right novels for you. And then you can just see here, and there are a lot of views, a lot of novels which you can just discover here. And then, for example, here is the novel. You can then just start reading. You can see how many views are here, the rating, comments, annotation. You can then just see how it looks like, kind of just like a preview. And there is a free chapter every 1 hour. Straight the pleasure of reading novels. The last 20 chapters can be unlocked only with coins. So you can just start reading. It has very nice reading formats. And then if you wanted to unlock more, then you can just buy more coins, and then you can just buy, for example, 1,000 coins for $10, and then you can just unlock more chapters. So that's basically the idea. And then yeah, if you just like reading some novels on while you're commuting or just relaxing, some easy texts, just very relaxing. It's not that you are reading some classic literature. Of course there is like a part for that, but this app is not about it. It's more about like unwinding, relaxing, just checking out that. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So hope that is helpful.